Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. Today is a cold one. I think it's like 10 degrees, but it's going to be a big day for us. We're going to finish up all the demo up here. We're going to start framing in a bathroom door. We're going to close off a window, close off another doorway, and hopefully build a wall to separate the office from the bathroom. Once that's complete, we're going to go get some drywall and hopefully start hanging drywall. We're going to hang drywall in the office, one bedroom wall in the other apartment, and hopefully the ceiling in the kitchen, as well as some touch-up spots. Alright, so it's been a couple hours. We got this place finally torn out. We got everything cleaned up, bagged, ready for the trash. Now we're going to go pick up the trailer. We need 20 2x4s, 26 sheets of drywall, nails, screws, and some other odds and ends. So we're going to go ahead to Menards and pick those up, and then we'll get back and show you what we do. If you haven't already smashed that thumbs up button, make sure to do so. And if you could, just make sure you click that subscribe button. It's totally free and it helps out the channel. Alright, so we're just getting back from the hardware store. Spent $600, 26 sheets of drywall, 20 2x4s, and 2 doors. So let's go unload them. Alright, so now that we got everything unloaded, I'm going to try to explain to you what we're doing. We're going to frame in this door, so it'll be covered in drywall. We're going to put in a new door here, drywall all the way around. We're going to frame in that window there, as well as this doorway here. This doorway here, we might not drywall over right now, just so we have an easy pass through. But that's the plan, so let's get to work and watch it happen. So the progress we've made so far is we got most of the drywall hung, the full pieces at least. We decided to go vertical because the ceilings are 9 feet in here, so that'll just eliminate more drywall finishing for myself doing it this way. But we still have a couple pieces there. We also got the window reframed in. Again, we're gonna leave that door right there open for now, just as an easy pass through. And then we also have this side. We're making a ton of progress, so I hope you're enjoying. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next clip. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed today's video. Today is coming to a close. We ended up getting way more done than I wanted. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the box below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Good morning everybody, welcome back to another day. Today we're starting off by cleaning, our favorite thing to do. We're going to get everything clean, situated, and then we're going to start doing the drywall in the other room, as well as some patches in the office. So let's get to it. We're ending the episode. We did a lot of work tonight. It's about 9 o'clock. Let me give you a quick little walkthrough and we'll show you all the progress we made. This is that back bedroom with the exposed wall. We were gonna hang drywall right over the old lath, but it ended up being easier just to rip it all out, redo that. I was also gonna leave this wall, but we decided to rip it down and redo the drywall. And then the ceiling up here will get covered in a thin plywood, and then I'm gonna use the old metal tile from downstairs. What else did we do today? We did the whole kitchen, ripped down the ceiling, new drywall throughout. Huge progress here. Utility closet, still needs some love. And then we also patched the little 12-inch chunks that we were missing yesterday. So that's done there. We're gonna set the door in tomorrow. And we also need to put drywall in that slot tomorrow.